Hello, Roger from Norway here. I will give you my way of playing Purple Rain on both guitar and harmonica. I will show you my way of playing it, and it goes in the key of G. I've got a 10-hole G harmonica, and the chords are G, E minor, D, and C. And it's those chords are both in the verses and in the chorus line. And it goes something like this. I never meant to cause you any sorrow, onto the E minor, onto the D. I never meant to cause you any, onto the C. Pain. I only wanted to one time see you laughing, onto the E minor again. I only want to, onto the D, see you laughing, onto the C, in the purple, to the G, rain. You got the chorus line, purple rain, purple, to the C, rain. Purple rain, purple, onto the, back to the G, rain. Purple rain, purple, onto the D, rain. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. And here comes the harmonica in. I will show you the tabs for, I've written down the tabs for you, so I hope you can see it. It's 4 blow, and when you got a minus in front of the number, it is to draw. So it's 4 blow, draw 4. It's 5-5, and it's draw 4 and 2 blows on 4, like this. Purple rain, purple rain. Try to sing it inside you. It's the same on the next line as the first one. They are similar. And then you play the same, but you end on a draw 2. 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 5 blow, 4 draw, and 4 blow, and then you go like this. And the last one, it's 4 blow, and that's a very important one, because you need a lot of air to manage 10 draws on 5, on the whole 5, before you draw on 4 and you blow on 4. It's something like this. I only want to see you bathing in the purple rain. Okay, so we can try it with the guitar. There, I think you got the whole song. I can show you as I play the G. There I use my index finger and play on fret 1, string 2. You hear I hammer on that one, and on the E minor there I lift and hammer on with my ring finger, and on the D there I use my pinky on fret 3 string 1, and on the C chord there I hammer on with my middle finger on fret 2 string 4, and that gives the song the guitar more power. So that's about it, and good luck with this one.